Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically pin live comments on a TikTok live as like a moderator. So I'm just gonna set like my friend as a moderator here. You're going to select the plus button first. And then I'm just going to scroll to the live section here next to template. And then you are going to select the settings tab here. Go to moderators and select manage. And make sure you have pinned comments enabled. So here you're going to select pinned comments. You can even enable everything else, so that whenever you're live, they're able to pin the comments. Unfortunately, I can't really show it like how you can pin it because I'm not just going to go live on my TikTok right now and have people question like, why am I live when I'm making a tutorial? But they can just pretty much select the comment when you go live, and they can select it and then they can pin it on their own device. You can even do that too, but if you're on the live, it is a little bit, it's not tricky, it's just a little bit tedious because you're obviously maybe playing a game or talking. You'll need moderators to manage your live. You can absolutely add your friends to be your moderator, and they can themselves pin the comment, they can report people, they can block people. Here, if I select the manage button again, they can enable polls and gift vote. They can adjust comment settings, mute accounts, etc. And they can even manage guests that go on your live. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.